Hello, in this video we will try to reset the root password in case we forgot the current one. This will be applied for any kind of Linux running on a group bootloader. For example, CentOS, Fedora, or Red Hat, or Oracle Enterprise Linux. So, to reset the password, first of all we need to restart the computer. We choose the kernel, then we press E. Then we choose the kernel, and we press E again. Then we append the number 1 after the line, then press enter. Now we press P to boot to the level 1 of Linux. Now we log on. At the level 1, we didn't ask us a password. Now we use the password command to change the password. So we type the password and retype again. The password changed successfully. So now we restart to a normal level. Then log on with the new password. So now we log on with root and new password. So it's successfully.